Hey gang, and welcome to your first step in becoming a web mockup ninja with Materialize CSS. Alright then, so what is Materialize CSS? Well, basically it's just a responsive CSS framework that enables us to quickly create great looking websites, and it's based on material design concepts by Google. So whenever you see one of those Google websites like the Google documentation or Firebase or something like that, a lot of the time it's based on these material design concepts, and that's what Materialize is based on as well. It's a library that lets us create websites based on Google's design concepts. So it's a bit like Bootstrap, I suppose, in that it comes with things like buttons, colors, layouts and all that jazz, but this time those layouts and components are much more tightly coupled with Google's design philosophy, whereas Bootstrap isn't. So some of the different UI components that it comes with are buttons, navbars, form inputs and other controls, colors and shadows, grid layouts, and loads other things as well. This can all be achieved with a few different classes in Materialize CSS. And it also comes with some JavaScript Goodness, which is more kind of interactive components, things like mobile menus, parallaxes, modals or pop-ups, image zooms, tabs, and much more as well. So the first half of this playlist will all be about learning some of these different components isolated on their own. And then in the second half of the playlist, we'll be putting everything together that we've learned, along with some new stuff as well, to create a website that looks something like this thing right here. So this is a fully responsive website built with Materialize, and I've only had to write about 2 or 3 CSS rules of my own here. No, this is not me, this is a stock image. I'm going to leave the link to this when we come to use it. It's from Unsplash. But anyway, all this is using Materialize. So we have our different images right here, and they zoom in when you click on them. We have parallaxes, tabs, and we also have a form at the bottom as well with a date picker and other cool stuff, as well as a little footer. And like I said, fully responsive. So if I make this a little bit smaller, then we're going to see this go into a more responsive design. And at the very top, we'll see this has gone to a mobile slide out menu as well. So in the second half of the series, we're going to be looking at how to create this website pretty quickly using Materialize. Now in this course I'm going to be using Visual Studio Code, so you can download that if you want to follow along from code.visualstudio.com, a really cool free editor. The link to that is going to be down below. And also, as always, I'm going to be providing you with all of the course files for this series. You want to go to this repo right here, Materialize playlist. The link is going to be down below as well. And in order to get the code for a specific lesson, very important this, you have to choose the appropriate branch right here. So if you want the lesson 10 code, for example, go to lesson 10 and then you'll find that code right here. Okay? So there's your whirlwind introduction to Materialize. I really hope you enjoy this series. And if you do, my friends, please do not forget to share or like the videos. And I'm going to see you in the very next one.